My name is Leslie. Today, in the example section, we will learn to make sentence in past perfect in affirmative, negative, direct question, and WH question. Example of affirmative sentence is I have worked for my uncle. I is a subject. Have is the auxiliary. Worked is a verb in past. For my uncle is a complement. In a negative sentence, it is the same but putting a no after the auxiliary. I is a subject, had is the auxiliary, not is a not negative, worked is a verb in past, and for my uncle is complement. In other question, the auxiliary will always be but first. For example, have you worked for my uncle? Have is the auxiliary. You is a subject. Worked is a verb in past. For my uncle is a complement. And question mark. In a question with WH is the same as the direct question, but first the WH. For example, where have you worked for my uncle? Where is WH question. Have is the auxiliary. You is a subject. Worked is a verb in past. For my uncle is a complement. And question mark. Goodbye!